Recently, all of us were shocked to see the blast news in Rameshwaram Cafe. Well, since then, Rameshwaram Cafe has become the biggest searched restaurant in Bangalore. Well, what makes Rameshwaram Cafe such a huge success and a big name? Today we'll dive into what Rameshwaram Cafe is, who were the founders, and what made it this big a success. Also, we'll dive into what are actually quick service restaurants. The origin of Rameshwaram Cafe happened when two people, Divya Raghavendra Rao and Raghavendra Rao, came together to set up Rameshwaram Cafe. Divya was an IIM Ahmedabad graduate and she always wanted to make South Indian cuisine famous. In fact, she aimed on creating global food chains like McDonald's and KFC. While on the other hand, Raghavendra Rao was already owning a food cart in Seshadripuram and had almost 20 plus years of experience in the food industry. So where did this name Rameshwaram Cafe came into existence? Well, both of them wanted to pay tribute to APJ Abdul Kalam, and Rameshwaram is actually his birthplace. The first thing that actually made them a huge success was providing consistent quality food. There is this thing about Rameshwaram Cafe where they provide quality food, and Divya, on the other hand, had this stringent rule where it was prohibited to use baking soda in their food. They exclusively employ pure ghee instead of blending it with some oil. Neither any artificial colors are used in their food, which all in all makes them different than any other restaurants which are highly using all these things in their food. The second strategy, no refrigerators used. Well, Rameshwaram Cafe has all the freshly prepared food. In fact, their staff prepares the batter, the chutneys multiple times in a day, avoiding storing all these things in a refrigerator, which again qualifies as optimizing good quality food. Number 3, strategic locations. Well, if you see, even if the food in a restaurant is good, but it is far away from the customer's visibility, it's not going to be that huge a success, where Rameshwaram Cafe again played their card. The cafe is situated in busy areas with a huge footfall, which undoubtedly attracts a lot of customers. In fact, according to the latest report, Rameshwaram Cafe processes around 7,500 bills per day. If you see, even in Bangalore, they are in one of the most busiest lanes in Indiranagar and have a huge outlet open in Whitefield, where the number of customers coming in every day is huge. Number 4, well-trained staff. Well, if you ever go to a Rameshwaram Cafe, you'll understand that how quick their staff is. They are very efficient to handle a large customer base, and the billing and the delivery process is extremely quick, which again makes the customers stay with the cafe. Number 5, long working hours. I guess in Bangalore anyway, there is no restaurant that opens past 12 am. But Rameshwaram Cafe is open until 2 am at night, which again resonates a lot with the public of Bangalore, where they could not find any other place and they go to have some hot piping dosas during these unusual hours. Number 6, sustained growth. If you see, over these years since the inception of Rameshwaram Cafe has happened in Bangalore, with 7,500 bills per day, they have been generating a revenue of 4.5 crores with an annual turnover of rupees 50 crores. Number 7, they have been spending the least amount of money on marketing or branding. Isn't it very amazing? Because restaurants like this try to advertise as much as they can to attract a huge customer base, but Rameshwaram Cafe never did anything like that. And with the huge success in Bangalore, they have also opened one of their biggest stores even in Hyderabad, where they saw a huge customer base rushing in on their first day itself. Doesn't it talk a lot about how these brands are building themselves? Even if you do not have a lot of money to spend on advertising, you can actually provide quality products and let the customers do the word of mouth. Now that we know that Rameshwaram Cafe has been building so much around their product, it is important to know that it is not a cafe or a restaurant. It qualifies as a quick service restaurant. We all might have someday gone to McDonald's for a takeaway. What does that mean? So McDonald's has this small window where you can actually order drinks on your vehicles and you can take them away. This is what a quick service restaurant is, where there is no sitting area, no waiters, but you can just go order, take your food and then you can have it. Which is also popularly known as a Darshini in South India. A Darshini is a simple restaurant where there is fast service, quality food and low prices. In fact, for a QSR or a quick service restaurant or a Darshini, you do not need a huge space. You can operate from a very small space as well. In fact, this is so popular in South India that whenever you travel across the lanes, you can see a Darshini anywhere or everywhere at any nook and corner. So it is so easy if you are hungry to have quick bite along your way. If you find this case study around Darshini or Rameshwaram Cafe interesting, please like, comment, subscribe and tell me in the comments if you want such more case studies.